Now I have the BoxyCharm by Ipsy for the month of June. This was gifted to me. This is 5 full-size items. They can be valued up to $200, but the monthly subscription is only $28. So let's see what I got this month. Oops. Let's see if I can do this without everything flying out. All right, I'll let you guys get the first glimpse, and we'll just dig right in and see what we've got. Ooh, Elemis. Eee! Love Elemis. So we've got the Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. I am always in need of an eye treatment. I'm not getting any younger, so I gotta preserve the skin that I have. Let's take a look at this. This sounds delightful. All right, let's take a look at this packaging. Convenient packaging. Boop, boop. All right, I am so looking forward to trying this out. You know that's right. Okay, very cool. Okay, so we got Elemis. Let's see what's next. We've got, oh, I'm not familiar with this brand. This is Neogen. Neogen, this is real bakuchiol firming serum. Ooh, so bakuchiol, that is the plant alternative to retinol. Oh, so let's take a look-see and see what we've got in here. Bakuchiol from Neogen. First off, love the packaging. Love the packaging. Okay, real bakuchiol firming serum. This is 10% phytoretinol firming booster. Neogen Dermology. Ooh, I am looking forward to also trying that out. All right, so we've got 2 luxury skincare items so far. Whoop! What's this? Ooh, Tres Luce in my box again. Ooh, I'm getting quite the nice collection here. We got it. Anyways, we'll talk about my Tres Luce collection later. All right, we've got Empower Me Matte Lipstick in the shade Nudie Pink. Love that name. All right, let's take a look at this. This sounds gorgeous. Again, love the packaging. I love how everything's always kind of like this navy blue with Tres Luce. Let's take a look at the shade. Ooh, I love this kind of shade. This is a really pretty, looks like a warm tone neutral, and it's matte. And I almost don't want to use it because it's got that really cute embossing, but of course we will because it's fun to collect makeup, but it's even more fun to use it. Ooh, very pretty. And of course, if you have a yellow undertone to your skin like I do, this will appear much more pink than it does in the tube. Very nice, nudie pink. Love that. All right, so we've got 2 full-size skincare items, and we've got a makeup item. Okay. I can tell it's makeup, but I can't quite tell what's what. Oh, okay. Oh, whoops. Sorry, I'm having issues. All right. There we go. Beauty Bakery Lemon Bar Face Palette. Beauty Bakery Lemon Bar Face Palette. Ooh, okay. So, very cool. So it looks like we've got a highlighter, a bronzer, possibly a contour bronzer. It just depends on your skin tone, right? Let's see, how they describe this? And they don't. They just say it's a face palette. Okay, so it's open to interpretation. I can see myself getting good use out of this. Okay, you know what? Because of BoxyCharm lately, like I said, now I've got a nice little Tres Luce collection going. I've got a nice little Beauty Bakery collection going on. So we are seeing some repeats of certain brands, and that's not a bad thing because it's a really cool way to build up a collection from a certain brand and try their things out without paying full price. So very cool. All right, the last item we've got, this is from Farah. I love this kind of packaging. So let's go ahead and rip this open, or knowing me, I think I might get a pair of scissors. Oh no, it's just, I'm making it too hard. You can just pop it open like that. And got 2 makeup brushes. Ooh, look at that. First off, love the packaging. So we got Farrow, this is the Blush and Powder C350 brush. I can never have too many makeup brushes. My mother one time saw my dirty brush collection and she was like, wow, you have a lot of makeup brushes. And I said, yeah, and it's still not nearly enough because every time I use one, I have to clean it. And because I don't want to clean it, I just want to have more brushes. So I've got a huge makeup brush collection that is dirty right now that I officially need to clean, because every time I want to do my makeup, all my brushes are dirty. And clean your brushes, people. Don't use dirty makeup brushes on your face. Just don't do it. Don't contaminate your makeup. Don't make your face break out. Don't make your makeup pour flyly. You got it. All right. And woo, also very cute. And this is a blush and contour C30. Again, I love the holographic stem of the brush, and I'm always a fan of these kind of brushes, especially for doing contour, blending out bronzer, contour. Love it. Okay, very cool. So this, we got 2 makeup brushes, we got 2 makeup items, and then we even got 2 skincare items. I am all about the BoxyCharm by Ipsy this month. I love it. I think this is a great selection. All right, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next set of stories.